Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with the participants of the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon 2023 today at 9:30 p.m. through video conferencing. The government has asked the leading rice industry associations to ensure that the retail price of rice is reduced with immediate effect. The gross direct tax collections for the financial year 2023-24 have registered a growth of over 17%. The centre has asked states and union territories to maintain constant vigil amid a rise in COVID-19 cases and detection of the first case of the new JN1 subvariant in the country. In China, at least 116 people were killed following an earthquake of 6.2 magnitude that hit northwest Gansu and Qinghai province.